Good morning, grade 7. Let's go for set 43. We have seen in previous video all the concepts related to arc, then semicircular arcs, then we have seen minor and major arc, central angle. Today let's solve the problems related to it. Now see, set 43 first is, if an arc AXB and arc AYB are corresponding arcs. Now this word corresponding is very important. What do you mean by corresponding? Can you see this arc AYB and AXB? So from here to here is one arc. From here to here is another arc. So they have common endpoints AB. So two arcs which have common endpoints and which complete the circle, they are called as corresponding arcs. Alright. Okay. Measure of arc AXB. Now see, measure of arc AXB is equal to 120 degrees. Then measure of arc AYB we have to find. Measure of arc AYB. Students, from here to here is 120 and complete circle you know it is 360. So what we can write? Measure of arc AYB is 360 minus measure of arc AXB. Have you understood this? Complete circle is 360. So from 360 if you cut this AXB, you will get AYB. So measure of arc AYB is equal to 360 minus 120, which will be equal to how much? It is 240 degrees. Got it everybody? 240 degrees. Now second question see. Some arcs are shown in the circle with center O. Write the names of the minor arcs, major arcs and semicircular arcs from among them. So let's draw the diagram. Question 2. Let's do question 2 now. See. Let's draw the diagram. Okay, let's see minor arcs. I hope it is clear. Okay. Minor means what? Small. Small. Okay. Now see here. First is arc. Minor arcs we are writing first. I have told that day also students. Please remember one thing. Arcs can be labelled by either 3-letter name or if it is very small 2-letter name. So let us see first, this is QXP. This is minor arc which is less than 180, less than semicircular arc. So we can call them as minor arc. So first is arc QXP. You can say PXQ also. Then you have arc, if 2-letter we consider from here to here. This is also smaller arc. We can say arc XQ. Then XP also can be there. Arc XP. Then we have PR, then we have RPR. Then we have R2Y also. We have RRY or YR. And Q2Y also we can take. Okay, so this is RQ1. I think that's all. Huh? So all of these are minor arcs. Now second is we have to write after minor arc what that was? Major arcs. So let us write now major arcs. Major arcs. Major means big. So P, Q, Y. More than half semicircle. Okay. So we have P, Q, Y as first major arc. PQY. That is first one from here to here. Okay. Then we can also take PQR also. See P, Q and R. You have R, P, Q, R. That is also big one. Okay, PQR. Then RQY. See? R, Q and Y. So R, 1. Look at the diagram, students, and you should be doing it on your own also. Okay. Then you have x, q, r also we can take x, q, r, x, q and r, and also x, q and p, r, x, q, p. Both are major arcs. X, Q, P we can take, and X, Q. I think these are enough now, huh? Okay, now let us write third one what they have asked. Let me check. Write the semicircular arcs among them. Okay, semicircular arcs. So there will be only two, no? One circle has two semicircles, isn't it? So first we have Q, P and R. Considering this is diameter, so this is 1/2 and this is 1. If they would have given this point, then we could have done this also. So along the diameter, on either side of the diameter, how many diameters they are given, depending on that we can write the semicircular arc. So here horizontal diameter is given, so we can write semicircular arcs. Semicircular arcs. So first is arc QPR, and you have arc RYQ. You can also write QYR, doesn't matter. Okay? So this was the second question. Third is, in a circle with center O, the measure of minor arc is 110. What is the measure of the major arc P by Q? P by Q. Okay, so we already know, no? We have to subtract it from 360. Okay, so what third question C will do? Third question. Question 3. Do we have time? Yes, we can do it. See students, remember one thing. Measure arc. Yesterday we have seen this. Is equal to 360 minus measure of minor arc. Are you understanding this? Now what they have said in 12th question. Measure of a minor arc is 110. So 110 is minor arc they have given, and you have to find what is the measure of major arc. So measure of major arc is equal to 360 minus, how much is minor arc they have given? Minor arc is 110 degrees. Okay. So 360 degrees minus 110. So how much you get? 0, 5 and 2. 250 degrees is the measure of major arc. Done? So we have done all the 3 questions, that is set 43 is complete. Okay? So we'll go to the next topic in next session. Alright? That's all from my side for today, students. Thank you.